Drones are no longer just toys or cameras in the sky. Today they are weapons, spies, and silent threats. But while everyone talks about fighter jets and missiles, there's a new anti-drone system quietly changing modern warfare, and almost nobody is talking about it. This is the newest anti-drone system you've probably never heard of. Welcome to Tech Arsenal World, exploring the most advanced weapons, cars, and aircraft shaping our future. Subscribe and join the global tech community. Modern drones are cheap, fast, and incredibly hard to detect. They can fly low, avoid radar, and strike targets with precision. From military bases to airports and even government buildings, drones have become one of the biggest security threats of our time. Traditional air defense systems are often too slow or too expensive to stop a small drone that costs only a few $100s. The newest anti-drone system isn't loud, it doesn't fire missiles, and it doesn't rely on traditional radar. Instead, it uses AI-powered signal detection, electronic warfare, and directed energy technology. Some experts call it a silent shield, because most of the time, you don't even see it working. First, the system listens, not for sound, but for signals. Every drone communicates with its operator. AI algorithms instantly identify these signals, even if the drone is using encrypted channels. Once detected, the system can jam the drone's control link, take over its navigation, or force it to land safely. No explosion, no collateral damage, just control. If electronic takeover fails, the system switches to directed energy. High-powered microwave or laser beams disable the drone's electronics in seconds. It's fast, precise, and almost invisible to the human eye. So why is nobody talking about this technology? Because anti-drone systems are defensive, not flashy. Governments prefer secrecy, and revealing too much would expose vulnerabilities. But make no mistake, this technology is already protecting airports, military bases, and critical infrastructure around the world. The future of warfare isn't always loud. Sometimes it's silent, invisible, and powered by AI. If you want more deep dives into hidden military technology, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because the next war might already be happening right above our heads.